I want to talk about this concept around budget and you not knowing or knowing what your budget is when it comes to a renovation project that you'd like to do or a new build. And old school thought would be, well, I'm not going to give you all my cards. I'm not going to tell you what my budget is, and we're just going to feel each other out. And I truly believe in today's day and age, providing information that is simple, direct, and honest is the best way to move forward with any type of relationship. Whether you're going to buy a car, you're going to renovate your home, make any type of purchase, we're all very, very educated in the sense that we have a lot of information available to us to suss out some sort of idea on what something costs. You've got Google, you've got friends, etc. And so I say, let's be a little bit more responsible, that when we call someone in, like a contractor, that you do have an idea of some sort of range that you and your partner are willing to spend on whatever project you have. Second part of that is, tell the contractor what that is. It is up to the contractor to decide if they can do it for that amount of money, or they may educate you on why that amount of money is not enough, or maybe it is enough and you go on to the next stage. But this whole jostling between a contractor and a client because you're not trusting the contractor, maybe you think they're going to rip you off, they're going to size you up as far as where you live, how much money you make, etc. That shouldn't matter, because a good contractor is not going to care about those things. A good contractor is going to care about you and what your desires are, and they're going to be honest with you on letting you know if that vision can come true. So let's try to be honest when you guys come to the table. Don't sugarcoat stuff. Let them know what it is, and if it's not going to work, they're going to walk away, and that is the best thing that can happen to you. If you need some more advice on this whole interaction between a contractor and talking about budget, DM me. I'd be more than happy to help you with that. And I just kind of wanted to set that straight, that those days are gone. Have a great rest of the week, and till the next video. Thanks.